Okay, today I'll be selecting the winners of the Huawei Y7a giveaway contest which I held on the 3rd of December. First of all, I would like to say thank you to Huawei Malaysia for organizing this giveaway contest. And I'll be selecting the winners through commentpickers.com, and the name number 7 will be the winner of this giveaway contest. I'll be filtering the duplicate username so everyone has a chance to be the winners here. So I received 316 unique commenters, and the name number 7 will be the winners of this giveaway. So this is number 1. This is number 2. This is number 3. Four, 5, 6, 7, the winner of this giveaway contest. Congratulations to Mat Kong Tian Leong. To confirm he's the winner, I will have to confirm whether he completed all the tasks and also answered all the questions correctly. So let's see. Okay. He answered all the questions correctly. What's the battery capacity of the Huawei Y7a, which is 5000 mAh? What's the charging output of the Huawei Supercharge, which is 22.5 watts, correct? And a quick 10-minute charge will deliver how long the battery, or how long you can use the device, which is 2 hours. And he also tagged 3% on the comments, and he also subscribed to my YouTube channels. Congratulations to Mat Kong Tian Leong. I'll be contacting you very soon, and thank you for participating. I hope I can have another round of giveaway contest very soon. Thank you for participating, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you. Bye bye.